Here we go. Who is ready to open up these cabinets? All right, let's do it. I'm gonna set up my tripod. Got my box cutter. Actually, I need to find my Work Pro tool one. Find where that one is. But anyways, all right, let's go. Okay, I'm trying to do this like half in the sun, half in the shade here. All right, I got one of these open. Look at, okay, so these are the shakers that I got from iCabinetry. Look at how awesome. So there are 4 of these. They're 36 inches. They're gonna go on our wall. I'm gonna show a screenshot, not a screenshot, but my 3D rendering that I did, and I will show you guys. Okay, so let's see. These are soft close. Yep, soft close, nice. And then look at these that I bought. I know I've showed you guys these before that are going with it, but now that I got the cabinets out, I can show you this. So super excited about this. So this is either gonna go right here. I haven't decided yet where I want these, but either it's gonna go like right here on the top, or I can put this. All right, everybody, how awesome is this? Okay, so go to iCabinetry, give them a follow. It's amazing. I am going to be sharing very soon on my post, like the process of doing, ordering cabinets through them. So stay tuned for that. You guys will see it. But how pretty is this? So after I saw this, I was like, okay, I think I liked this better. I kind of got cut off before I could show you guys, but I think I like that vibe better. So super cute. And yes, you guys have an amazing, amazing Thursday. I haven't been on here for a while. My boys are on spring break, or not spring break, fall break. So, anyways, I've been trying to spend time with them. But everybody have an amazing, amazing Thursday. And raise up your mug. Cheers to you. I hope you guys have an amazing Thursday. And I hope you have sunshine wherever you guys are at.